Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to learn about insertion of the recombinant DNA into host. What is recombinant DNA? So that is a hybrid one with the desired DNA joined with the vector. So in this chapter introduced that our recombinant DNA is introduced into the recipient host cell, mostly a bacterial cell. This is transformation. Bacterial cells do not accept the foreign DNA, so they are treated to make them competent to accept the new DNA molecule. So how this is possible, let us see. So there are few methods. So first one is the calcium chloride induced transformation. This is a traditional method. Electroporation, micro injection, gene gun method, or biolistic method. So by using these methods, we can introduce the hybrid DNA into the host cell. So first one is the calcium chloride induced transformation. So how the calcium chloride will induce, let us say. So actually involves in this the cells competent to take up the plasmid DNA. We make that since DNA is a very hydrophilic molecule, so it won't normally pass to the bacterial cells membrane. In order to make bacteria take up the plasmid, they must first be made competent to take up the DNA. This involves addition of the calcium chloride to the cell suspension, which enhances the binding of the DNA. So positively charged calcium ions attract both negatively charged DNA and the negatively charged groups in the LPS. So inner core. The plasmid DNA can then pass into the cell upon heat shock, wherein the cells are cooled to the low temperature and then heated to the high temperature for a short time. This causes the bacteria to take up the DNA. So this is heat dependent method. So calcium ions are the positive ions, DNA is the negative one, so both will be attracted together and they are attracting to the they will attract to the negatively charged groups in the LPS, that is the cell wall of the bacteria. So they will attract, they will make competent, the cell membrane make competent to allow this. So if you see here, so this is the cell membrane which is made up of a bilipid layer, right? So that does not accept the DNA directly, so we are using the calcium. So along with the calcium here, they are coated with the DNA, hybrid DNA. So the cell membrane will accept these calcium ions along with the DNA will be entering into that bacterial, that is the host cell. So like this it will the transformation will takes place. Next, electroporation. It is a method of transformation of the DNA into host cells. Cells mixed with the plasmid DNA are subjected to a brief pulse of high voltage electricity here. So the membrane of the cells exposed to the high intensity electric pulse is temporarily destabilized in the specific regions of the cells. Cells become permeable and DNA enters into the cell. So the name denotes that only. Electro, it is based upon the electricity, high voltages, and poration. It will make pores on the cell membrane and it will make permeable for these molecules. So later the DNA will enters through those pores into the host cell. So the DNA, this is a cell membrane, and here electric pulse, what happens, it is making the passage to allow these uh, DNA molecules through these pores. So these are the hydrophilic molecules actually DNA, so they enter like this, that is water loving ones, so they will enter through these because lipids does not allow the water soluble molecules. So that's why we are using these methods actually. So this is the electroporation. You can see the pore in between the cell membrane, that is the lipid molecules, we can see that. So through these pores so the DNA will enters. Next method, micro injection. So the name only saying that in this method recombinant DNA is directly injected into the nucleus of a host cell through a glass micropipette. So like a small injection, that is through the syringe, like that small micropipette will be present. So directly we can inject into the nucleus of the host cell the recombinant DNA without any other mediators. And the last method is gene gun method. So it shoots, the gun method or biolistic method, it shoots the foreign DNA into host cells with high speed gold